dong.
Spring menu, please.
Is the restaurant open?
Yes.
Can you take our order, please?
Yes. What do you like to eat today?
Do you have some cake?
You like some spicy cake?
No, I like some sweet cake.
Right, but spicy cake is sweet.
Okay, get 3 cakes and 2 coffee for us, please.
Okay. और क्या लोगे?
क्या मुझे ब्रेड मिल सकती है?
ब्रेड, but मेरे पे ब्रेड तो बंद था.
हमें सिर्फ एक ही ब्रेड चाहिए.
Okay. Two bread. What I make it? Cake. First I need the oven. This cake. और एक bowl है. This is hot. Okay. Let's set. Look, very spicy. One minute back. And now, now, आपकी coffee. Here's your cake. Good. All your cake is fit.
Oh, thank you so much, chef. It looks so yummy cake. Can we have 2 juices, please?
We can't give coffee. हम कॉफी के साथ जूस नहीं देते हैं.
बट हम सबके लिए कॉफ़ी तो आई नहीं है.
ये कॉफी है.
We want 2 juices.
I don't have juice today.
Okay.
Finished.
Okay. Thank you for the lovely breakfast.
अब बहुत काम था. मैं अपने लिए सूप बनाती हूँ. पहले हमें इसे अच्छे से धोना होगा. बहुत ठंडा ठंडी से आइडिया. Let's go shopping. उसको अंदर निकाल लूँ. मैं जैसे लेती हूँ. Let's go. मेरे दादू कहाँ गए? मुझे तो शॉपिंग करने जाना है. Idea. Let's find daddy. क्या मैं मॉल में शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ, please?
What would you like to have, ma'am? You can choose.
I like some. This frock, please.
Sure. You can pick it up. Do you want to try it?
Yes, please. Can I start another one, please?
Yeah, please choose one.
This one, please. Good. My shoes.
You want to try some shoes?
Yes.
Okay, please choose one.
That is good shoes. Nice. Can you please do my hairs?
Of course.
Perfume is done. Now I need our lipstick. Done. Now I need a makeup. Now I need a eyebrush. Now I need a Now I need a nothing.
Are you ready, princess?
Yes. Now
Please show us.
down and down. First I need a bag.
Which one you want?
I want the white one.
Okay.
Very happy.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned with us and subscribe to our channel Prisha the Chatterbox for the upcoming video on Prisha's baby. See you.